Alright, say you're driving down the street. Some guy runs up to your car and he's got a nail and a hammer. And he just goes up to your tire and just starts ramming the nail right in your tire. There you go. Now you got a 5-inch nail shoved into your tire. Okay, he took off. You can't find him anywhere. Okay? So what you're going to do is going to remove the nail. I use a pair of wire cutters. You can use whatever you feel comfortable with. Now you have an air leak. I need an assistant. Can you hold the tire up, bud? You're going to need this pick. It's got some kind of file attachment or a coarse surface. You find your hole. Put it in the hole. Sometimes it can be a pain in the butt. Once you get it in there, run it out a few times. Leave it in there. Hold that, please. Then you get your plug. You get a plug out of here. This helps put the plug in the plug inside the tire. Try not to get the plug too dirty. Flatten the one side if you can. Feed it through. I go about halfway. Close up. Push your plug in there. Need the air tank. I might have to make it a little bigger. Don't want to make it too big. Plug in, let's pull it out, plug stays in. Trim it. Don't fill it up with air. Pull the tire. Fill it. Check it, see if any air bubbles come out. No air bubbles. Put your tire back on. Go find that guy that put the nail in your tire. Chase him down. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe.